Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through initial app setup for the Dreame D20 Plus. If you're interested in the D20 Plus, the link to it will be in the video description. Setup is simple and straightforward. Search your app store. Doesn't matter if you're on an iOS or Android device. Search for the Dreame home app. Get the app downloaded. Sign in or create an account. And then once you do, you'll be at this screen where in our case, we have multiple Dreame devices set up within our account. You may not have any, which is fine. You might have a plus button towards the center saying add a new device. For us, we got to go to the top right-hand corner, hit those three dots, and select add device. And now we're taken to this screen where we can scan a device through a QR code or manually add it in the bottom right-hand corner. We're going to scan our device. It's right here. Dreame Home, right there under the cover. Boom. We can scan the QR code. Now it's saying place the robot into the base station or press and hold the power button to turn it on. Our robot has been turned on. Select next. Release the hotspot. So we got to press and hold both buttons up at the top for 3 seconds.
Waiting for the network configuration.
So we got the voice prompt right there. Select next. Now at this screen, you need to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Make sure you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. Then select next. We need to connect to our device hotspot by selecting device hotspot connection. There's the prompt. Select join. Now it's working on connecting. It's got a little checklist for us.
Robot and phone connected.
Voice prompt status.
App to wait for the result.
Now we wait.
Network connected successfully.
All right, everything's connected. We wait for the app to catch up.
Into DOS before starting tasks.
There we go. Select next.
Start charging. It means the installation is in place.
Finished. And now the app is loading. All right, here we go. We can agree. And it then has a little tutorial for you going through some of the key settings. We got a firmware update prompt right now, so we'll do that too. Let's confirm. Let's put it back on the station to make sure it'll update. I'm going to turn on auto update here. Select update now. Oh, we got to get it on the charger.
Start charging.
There we go. Try again.
Updating. Taking about 5 minutes. Do
Now.
not turn off nor start a cleaning task.
So we got it on. Now everything's charging. It should take about 5 minutes. We'll see how long it takes. All right, the firmware update is complete. We got the voice prompt letting us know it was done successfully. It took like 3 minutes. Very simple, straightforward. Now we can go back here to the main screen where we can start our fast mapping. That's what you would want to do next. Get your house all tidy, open up the doors to the rooms that you want. Then you just create your first map and then you're all set and ready to go. So there's a look at it added to our account. Simple, straightforward to set everything up. It's quicker to set it up and then you just wait a couple extra minutes for the firmware update, but I highly recommend you get that firmware up to date to make sure you're getting the best experience possible with the Dreame D20 Plus, so always leave that on. But simple, straightforward app setup, scan a code, enter some Wi-Fi info, and that's it. You're all set and ready to go.